There's been a lot to learn. I haven't learned this much in such a short time. The small exercises they gave us really helped.
It has definitely added a lot of value to me.
This experience has taught me that even if it's just one sentence or one paragraph a day, you know what, just write.
It actually gets you in touch with who you truly are.
I think I'm at a good stage where I can have more conversations with SuccessSpark.
Whoever came up with that is amazing. It's not like a workshop thing.
I'm impressed about the existence of a program like this. The places are always beautiful.
The small exercises they gave us really helped. It's been action-packed.
It's a very, very lovely place.
It's been worth it.
I didn't think that I knew how to write.
I hadn't been to anything like this before.
A holiday packed with learning.